Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Today we're in Mooresville, North Carolina, and home of Weinig Holz-Her, USA. Weinig Holz-Her is the industry leader in solid wood and panel processing technology and equipment, supplying woodworking production shops across the country. Specializing in innovative manufacturing solutions that enable mass customization and improve efficiency, Weinig Holz-Her offers an array of equipment including molders, saws, finger jointers, glue presses, scanners, CNC machines, edge banders, panel saws, and material handling equipment, along with fully integrated software solutions that manage and optimize production. Weinig Holz-Her's machinery provides unique solutions by adding automation, removing single-use machines, and adding quality and accuracy to the machining process. When you visit the Mooresville showroom, which is over 25,000 square feet, you'll witness the highest caliber of woodworking machinery on the market. The technology that is on display in Mooresville is unique to the industry and demonstrates true Industry 4.0 integration. In order to master the new challenges in wood processing, manufacturers need an advanced, efficient, and economical production environment. Weinig Holz-Her's host of digital solutions ensures that production shops are measuring relevant and accurate data that will enable their future growth. In addition to the showroom, the Mooresville facility houses an advanced knife grinding service, a fully stocked spare parts warehouse, and various repair services. The entire facility revolves around supporting and partnering with customers throughout the USA. Weinig Holz-Her's technology and equipment ensures U.S. manufacturers can meet tomorrow's needs. Think industry excellence. Think Weinig. See them at WeinigUSA.com. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.